Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video, we are going to be talking about High Tide. So some news came up for High Tide, which was pretty interesting. This is on stock tweets. Raj Grove dropped bombs on Twitters lately, and this is the Twitter page for Raj Grove. I share my thoughts on High Tide's U.S. plans with at BNN Bloomberg. We are exploring multiple options, I think, OPPS, I think that's options, to expand our accessories plus CBD e-commerce footprint in the short run, or just one acquisition away from brick and mortar retail as legislative landscape evolves. So what I mean by this, so while High Tide is opting in a full-scale move to brick-and-mortar U.S. locations just yet, the company focuses its efforts to its e-commerce strategy, said Raja Grove. The firm's CEO right now, roughly 23% of the company's sales come from U.S., with more expected once the smoke cartel deal closes, he added. So, I can't get more products in the U.S., Grover said. We have unlimited demand right now. So their e-commerce store, from what he's saying, is blowing up. They are selling a lot of stuff in the U.S. right now. Why? Because they've been very popular on YouTube lately. There's been a lot of people talking about the company on YouTube lately, and that is probably translating into sales for both the Grass City and CBD City. So they are probably selling a lot of products, because when, like, for example, most investors, right, they are not going to invest unless they buy something from the company. So so if you were an investor, you know what the one thing you would probably do? You would probably go out and you would probably buy something from their store to see what the quality of their product. As an investor, I do it. I mean, I'm invested in Tat, so I went out and I bought some Tat products, right? I'm an investor in High Tide, so I go to their stores and check them out and buy stuff from their stores. And I also check out the online store. Even though I don't buy anything from the online store, I buy stuff from their real stores. So, ATB Kick notes that there are plenty of market shares to be gained as the U.S. market is still relatively nascent, but Canadian companies with strong balance sheet will find success working in the U.S. At the end of the day, if the Canadians bring something to the table that American value, and there's money to be made, both for the company and for the shareholders, I think that's going to be to win the day here, he said. Pretty awesome article, interview. I'm very excited for High Tide's future. I can't wait to see what their earnings are like in the next 6 months to a year. At any crash will be a buying opportunity. I don't think this stock will go back to 15 cents, but if this thing goes to 50 cents, I think it's a very attractive opportunity at 50 cents. Unless there's something fundamentally wrong with the company. I don't know what the stock's going to do at the end of the day. I'm very excited for the company's future, and I will only buy more of the stock if the stock price drops. So if it does, I'll buy more. If it doesn't, I'll leave it alone, because I have a decent amount of shares and I'm happy with my position. I don't want to get greedy. I still have a lot of cash. Like, I literally have a lot of cash right now just sitting on the sideline waiting for that stock market crash. So my cash position is bigger than my High Tide position, just to let you guys know that. So I can easily double, triple. I could easily buy 1 million shares of High Tide if I wanted to. Of course, I'm not going to do it. I'm not that stupid. I'm not going to be that greedy. So, but that's just me. I'm not going to be that greedy. I want to diversify. I'm not in it to be greedy. So I'm in it because I'm just picking companies and investing into companies I believe in right now, because I am scared of a stock market crash. So I'm waiting for that opportunity to come, for all these companies to go on sale, and for me to pick up these cheap shares if the stock market crashes, because I think long term the market crash won't matter for a really strong fundamental company. It just makes it on sale. And if high tide crashes with the market, I'm gonna buy more. It depends though. Like, I'm so excited for the earnings report that's coming out here very soon. And I want to see how the company's progressing in their growth as a fundamental business. Technical is the stock, fundamental is the business. Stocks and the business is a different, they're different. Stocks are determined on investors, business is determined on management. So I'm gambling that high tide does well as a business. If we look at the high tide from bar charts, it says strong buy, right? Strong buy. So right now it feels like it is, any pullback could be an opportunity, but I don't trust fundamentals. They're helpful tools to, get you in the right path, but don't trust them. Bad news could come out, and this could easily be strong buy to strong sell in a matter of a days. So just be careful. Technicals on TradingView is a little different. On one day it says it's moving average is a buy, summary is neutral, and oscillators say sell. So they're unsure, but on one day it's saying that it's more of a buy, summary buy, not strong buy. But moving averages is good. It's a strong buy. So I don't know what it's gonna do. If earnings are good, I think the stock is gonna pop. If earnings are bad, I think the stock is going to tank. So we'll see what happens. So Fire and Flower enters U.S. MJ market through strategic license partnership and acquisition option with American Acreage. So this could be high tide, right? I don't know at the end of the day what Fire and Flower will do, but this could be high tide in the future. So we'll see. Fire and Flower, I like the company. I think I might make a position in the company as a diversification move, because they could be a big winner. I like High Tide more as a business, but Fire and Flower, they do have some really attractive they have some really attractive fundamentals to their company. Like, they have a big investors, they have a decent amount of cash on the size position, and I believe they are the second biggest MJ play in Canada right now after High Tide. High Tide is number 1, Fire and Flower is number 2. So, and I think they are profitable very soon here. So, I wouldn't be I think I might make a position with them. Don't know for sure. We'll see. Right now it looks like the stock is downtrending. So I would hope for a better buy. I'm hoping it pulls back some more. We'll see what happens. TAT, I believe in TAT. TAT is pulling back right now. It looks like it's downtrending. So I can see the stock go down further. But eventually, with the correct news, I think it'll bounce back. I don't think the new news that came out for them, that they are going into Canada, is that big of a news. I am doing more research on Christina Lake, and I will make a video. I might make a video on Sunday about it, so stay tuned for that. Still need to do more research on it, but yeah. Anyways, that's all I have in my video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.